Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabby, aka Glam Gab, and I'm here to show you guys what I received in my Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of July. This was sent to me by Ipsy as well as all my other Ipsy unboxings that I've done here on my channel. So a huge thank you to Ipsy for sending me these boxes. I'm very excited to show you guys what I got in this month's box because there's so many good things in here. Actually, before I show you guys everything that came in the bags, I want to share with you guys something that came in here. I think this is really special and just really sweet. Ipsy sent this really cute like cover up. I think it's just so cute. I love whenever they send like little gifts like this. I just feel like it makes it so much more special. So this month's theme is to stay golden. So as always, the bag matches the theme perfectly. It does say stay golden on there as well, and then it has this cute little chain on the zipper. So I'm not gonna lie, but this was the first thing that caught my eye and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to try it. So this is the Artist Couture Silky Lip Oil. You guys, this stuff is amazing and it smells so good. It smells like jelly. I don't know, I can't describe it. It smells so good. I actually put some on this morning when I was doing my makeup. I did a little bit of lip liner, then I did the lip oil, and then I did a little bit of lipstick right on top. It's kind of wore off already, but you guys, this is so cute. Let me put a little bit on. I also, by the way, love the wand. I don't know, I just love how thick it is, and you can see like my lipstick is on there, but it smells so good. Oh, and this is in the shade Delicious. It doesn't feel heavy, it's not sticky at all. It just feels really nice and comfortable on my lips. So this, for sure, my favorite thing that I received in the Glam Bag. And then I also got, this is a Pores Be Gone matte primer. This is by First Aid Beauty. So this is just a little face primer to help mattify the skin. I actually really like First Aid Beauty because it's really good for sensitive skin. I wouldn't say that I have sensitive skin, but at the same time I do. I don't know, it's kind of weird, but I'm excited to try this out. And then the next thing that I got in here is this, I don't know how to say this brand. I think it's Briogeo, or yeah, I think it's Briogeo. But this is a Superfoods Avocado Kiwi Mega Moisture Hair Mask. So I haven't tried this yet, but my hair needs a little bit of love because it's been really dry recently. And then I also got this cake pencil. This is a black eyeliner, and this is by KVD. Super cool. I actually really like their products as well. So this is by Nomad Cosmetics. I've tried their products in the past. I've actually received them in my Ipsy Glam Bag, and they're amazing. This is a beautiful eyeshadow. This is in the shade Cartagena. I don't know how to read or pronounce words, but this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty gold shimmer shade. Super pretty. And then the last thing that I got in my Glam Bag is this little, I think this is a blush, but the shade is called Red Moon, and it's by this brand called Hip Dot. And then this is what it looks like. So that was everything that I received in my Glam Bag. Again, this is $12 a month. So now I'm going to move on to my Glam Bag Plus, and this one is $25 a month, and this is what the bag looks like this month. Again, same theme, stay golden, and it has a really pretty sun on here. So in this bag, I received this 3-piece set of brushes, which I actually already used. As you can see, I used this one right here. It was a sculpting brush. So I use this to apply my bronzer just all over my face. It worked really nicely. The brush is really soft. And then the other two brushes that I received in here, this is a Golden Gem bronzer. So I guess this is like an all-over quick bronzing brush. And then the other brush was the Get Cheeky With It brush. So this one is for blush. So in here I also received these eye masks. This is by the brand Wander Beauty, and these are Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. So I'm not sure how many it comes. Oh, it comes with 6, so it's a pretty good amount. So I'm excited to try these. So up next I received this Vitamin C Night Moisturizer. This is by the brand, or this is by Dr. Eve Youth. I don't know how to say these names, but this is what it looks like. And then the last thing that I received in my Glam Bag Plus was this Il Maquillage mascara. I love trying mascaras, you guys know this. So, and this is what the wand looks like. It's actually really cool. So it doesn't have any bristles on this side. It only has it on one side, and it's actually really cool. Let me see if you can see. Hold on. So I think that is everything. Oh, and then the last thing actually that I got, this is from the Refreshments line. I've actually gotten this before and it works really well whenever I do shave. This is amazing, so it leaves your skin really nice and smooth. So I received another one, which is good because I'm actually almost out of my previous one. So that's everything that I got in this month's glam bag. If you guys do like these kinds of unboxing videos, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment down below. And thank you guys again for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.